Jai Swaminarayan, myself Mudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 4th, subject GK. So we are started, just start the new chapter, that is fitness and fun. Okay, now see here, what is fitness means. So fitness, it is a state of health and well-being, and more specifically the ability to reform the aspect of sports, occupation and the daily activities. Physical fitness is generally achieved through the proper nutrition, moderate physical exercise and sufficient rest. Okay, so fitness means not to be a get exercise, or we can say getting a perfect figure, right? So losing weight, so it has required the we have to ability to do the activities and the certain aspects of the sports. So for that, nutrition sufficient and nutrition diet is important, as equally perfect exercise is important, and the third is the sufficient so rest is also important. Now in this chapter we are going to study, or we are going to understand some activities which are help people to exercise with fun. Okay, so let's see. Fitness and fun. Some activities help us, help people exercise and get fit having fun. Look at the pictures and choose the correct option from the box. So see the first picture. So can anyone tell me what is this? It is a rock climbing. So it can be done indoor on artificial walls or outdoor. So see here, for this activity you require protective safety precautions are there. Safety, we can say safety wears are there. Special type of shoes are there. So this person is get safety belt here, and it is tied with the rope, and also wearing the helmets. Fine. So rope is also there. So many protective things are here, and with the help of this you have to do the activities. So for this such type of we can say adventurous activities or sports, first priority is given to safety precautions and safety instruments or tools which are used during this adventurous games, sports, okay, or exercise we can say. Now say the see the second one. In this adventurous sport, you jump off the sorry you jump off a high structure to which you attached by cord. See, so it is called the this is the bungee jumping. So you can see in the picture also. Now see the third one. This sport can be done on the both water and snow. So most of the people, I think, enjoyed such type of sport, and we also see such type of sport in cinemas also. So it is the skiing. No, not yeah, it is the skiing. Then next, jumping from a high sport, usually an aeroplane with a parachute. So it is the skydiving. So we have already, I think, near our Bharuch, which is that beach. Even I also visited. I forgot its name. So there also this activity is available. So on the beaches also, and so many on the tourist place nowadays, this facility, or we can say this adventurous sport is available. Going on a long adventurous walk to enjoy natural beauty of a place, usually in hilly areas. So it is the simplest one and also adventurous activity. Even I have also enjoyed such type of activity. You have to go for this trekking, enjoy the beauty of the nature, and also you get exercised and feel the happiness. Okay. Then next, swimming with a diving mask to see the marine creatures in their natural habitats, especially in the coral reef. So it is the uh, snorkeling. Okay, so it requires special type of training, and also safety precautions, and such special type of uh, instruments and the things are required for such type of activity. Now let's see the next chapter. It is about our body. Okay, so can anyone tell me what are the sense organs? How many sense organs are there in our body? What is mean by muscles, bones, skins? No, I'm not taking your science period. So, but this chapter is most of the I think it is wholly belong to the science. That means our body. So, first question, is femur thigh bone is the longest bone in your body? So before this answering this question, can anyone tell me how many bones are there in our body? Yes, there are 206 number of bones in our body. And yes, the femur is the longest bone in our body. Next thing, is it possible to sneeze with your eyes open? Fine. So first of all, tell me what is sneeze. This is the sneeze. Okay. So देखो, छींकते वक्त आपकी आंखें खुली रहती है या बंद रहती है? So by scientifically we can say sneeze is a autonomous convulsive explosion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth, usually caused by foreign particles irritating the nasal. छींकना कब होता है? जब नाक में कुछ गया हो, तो सम फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स गए हो, तो वो हमें थ्रो आउट करने के लिए बॉडी उसको अलाउ नहीं करते, तो उसको थ्रो आउट करने के लिए हम छींकते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, when we get some same illness again and after recovering a little, do we call it relapse? Yes. हमें थोड़ी देर हम कुछ बुखार या सर्दी जुकाम है, तो थोड़े आराम मिला और फिर से शुरू हो गई, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? रिलैप्स कहते हैं. Do your lungs pump blood to all parts of your body? So no. So let's understand about it. The right side of your heart receives oxygen, pour blood from your veins and pump it to your lungs, where it picks up the oxygen and get rid of CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. The left side of your heart receives oxygen-rich blood from your lungs and pump it through your arteries to the rest of your body. Then does each hand have as many as 27 bones? So yes. Does your skin become wrinkled if you spend a long time in water? So yes, it will. But why? Can anyone tell me why? Because when when a person stays in a water for a long time, osmosis occurs and the water flows into the upper skin cell, which then takes up water. Shrinking and expanding effects takes place simultaneously in these skin cells, and that causes the wrinkles. Okay. Now next. If a person's liver is damaged, can a part of another person's liver can be transplanted to her or his body? Yes. If you were having cardiac problem, would your eyes be giving you trouble? So no, it is not. Are muscles like special fiber or thick strings that shorten or lengthen to make the part to move? Yes. Does a person who smoke damage his lungs and heart? Definitely. You can see this in the picture. So we have completed this chapter also. Okay. So in the next week I will provide you both videos of value education. Have a nice time.